Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ki Khynnah School ka St. Anthony's ki bawan hakadan ka baar haka art stream ba science stream haka top top 10 haka result HSSLC kila pau ka jingkmen makila yo ya ka kerdan u amos chiminlun u bawan hakadan ka baar haka science stream ula pau ka jingkmen ba ula yo ya ka kerdan bat ula ai khublei ki no hikai ki kmi ki pa bat ki parlok ki baju rapi u hak jing pule jong u ula ong ba ula pen kre bha nak benta ka ni ke exam bat uju penan kam ya ka phone tang nak benta ban wat yek jinan kam haki jing pule u Joziah daman lalu ubawan hakadan ka baar haka art stream ulapan pau shaki weipat ki para Khynnah ba omdan kam ban pule kot daki kenta namar mu u pule kot tang haka por ba usngo kwa pule bat upelat por ban Shongthait ba udan kam ula Kyntu ki weipat bakin bo e ka routine ka batrai kam na ka benta jongki ka rishika dapnat ka bawan hakadan ka balai haka commerce stream na St. Anthony's High Secondary School kle tho ba klam pen jingmut bha ha jingya khon ni ka ni ke exam hende ka pule tang shikanta hadu ar kanta kla Kyntu ki para Khynnah ba ki dei ban ai 6% ha jing pule bat bakin omnyo than ni ki marks hende ki de ban smokmen ha ba ki yo ya ka result ka ba bha u principal ka St. Anthony's u father e khar kongor ulapan pau ka jingkmen ba school kalawan byang ha ka dan ka ba khmat ha ka ni ke exam Ulaong bagani baro kadai ka jingatray lang jong ginohi kai bat kikmi kikpa.
Sir, I'm really happy and excited right now. It's a moment of great pride and joy for me, my family, and my entire school. And sir, my feelings right now, it's something I believe that I can't explain at this moment because I'm too filled with joy and happiness as of now. So, first and foremost, God Almighty. So I live by the principle that the chief end of man is to live for the glory of God. I believe that God had blessed me with these intellectual abilities, and so my main aim was to work as hard as possible so that I can glorify His name through the talents He has blessed me. And also, sir, my parents, of course, because of the sacrifice, the countless sacrifices that He had done for me. And I'm very happy that I have wonderful parents like them. And then my teachers, because they were willing to help me at any time. Whenever I went to them, they would always help me, guide me on how I should prepare. And that's why I'm really grateful to them as well. Also, sir, I have to thank my friends, my classmates, because I believe that the group that you hang out with, the people that you spend most of your time with, they also influence you a lot. And so the friends that I had, the classmates that I had were the best of the best, and because of them I got to grow in many ways, and that's why I'm here today. Sir, I started preparation very early. I started from day one. I started studying. I used to study every day. I studied consistently. I put in the hours, and then by mid-December, by the time school got over, I was already done with my syllabus. And so after that, it was just revision. And as exams came closer, it drew nearer, I started putting in more and more hours, like 10, 11 hours. And yeah, that's what I did, study every day with consistency.
In digital devices, do you depend on too much on them?
Sir, yes, I was kind of dependent on them. I used various devices. I used my phone, internet to research on various stuff, used ChatGPT a lot as well. Yeah.
But there are students who get addicted to them.
Sir, it depends on the person. I knew myself very well. I knew I would be able to exert that self-control. That's why I used technology to the best of my advantage. But for those who cannot control themselves, it's better that they don't.
What are your future plans?
As of now, I'm planning to pursue economics. I want to give UPSC in the future. That's why.
My name is Joziah. I secured the second position from the art stream in the HSLC examination.
So can you just tell us about your future plans and your routine of studying?
Well, I'm planning to major in English literature, and I plan to become a professor. That's my main plan as of right now.
Okay. So how many hours did you study? What was your distractions and all?
See, I think the biggest misconception that people have is that you have to study for hours at a time. And although that may be true in some cases, I feel like that's not true for everyone. So for me personally, I studied whenever I felt like it, and I also took breaks whenever I felt I needed it. I think everyone just needs to find their own study pattern.
So is there any message for those who are, will be preparing, will be coming up for the upcoming exams?
The main thing is that people often look at toppers as the ideal students and they have to follow their routines. But not everyone can commit to the same routine that other people have. So the main thing I want to advise other students is have a study routine that works for you. And as soon as you find that study routine, commit to it. That's the only thing that I want to say.
Your rank.
Hello, my name is Rishika Devnath and I'm the third rank holder in Commerce Stream.
Can you tell us about your preparation? How was
Actually, I should thank my sister. She helped me a lot with this preparation, and I went for accountancy tuition and all. I should thank my tuition teacher. He helped me a lot with my preparation, and I studied like 1 or 2 hours after like school and all, after tuition and school. And I guess I did not study much, to be honest, but yeah.
what are your future plans?
I want to do BCom plus C and I want to be a chartered accountant.
What is your message to other students?
I would say that there's like the people around us create a panic because like we think that board examination is like very hard and all. To be honest, it's comparatively easier than the other examination, and with proper preparation you can easily score well. And I would just say that give your 100%, and even like then the marks and the result, they do not matter. And after seeing the result you will feel happy, then even if you have some regrets, but it's fine. Like you will feel that you have given your best, so it's fine.
Kajing I misim kajing kai jo kino kai but kajing I misim jo kino mikpa. Atrai kani ber koi habang ya tray lang kora aka jing job ke bakrau mo jing job ke bakrau tinga kani habang akran assembly mene ngayo ong what yak assembly ru nginyo namar ki ke bangi ai kilat ki kabu hang ni school jungi la de ha sport la de ha reading la de library la de interactive class par ko chim kulum lang la de assembly ru namar assembly ngi ju a kini ki good thoughts kini ki push ki driving force ko bangi ong ka juk tik yaki ba kin long serious ba kin long ki ba ki khna ki badon ka thong ke ngaju ong berbor mo. Success is the sum of small things repeatedly doing day by day. Kini kejinya ne kejing trace tom kejungki takile man da kasni klam da bu teng bu din kan sapelong ki bakin job. Kini kejing trace tom jungki syak la ora ka result babha adu bagi yo lagi commerce. E-commerce ngaju iman la usnam kile bha be. Mencip sedam ki maintain ja kata consistency mencip sedam ngiyadon kema nyongut mentau ton riungut men science punya don sun mentang ya don saw agi arts mencip sem ya don saw mentang ya don lai meriwat ka taru ka average pat ka percentage ka yat bet ngi di ban aku beli kena jungi e gino kai ki bat trace tom ha bagi basni bagi ki pa
Kani ke jingwan sa ka ba nai kani ka school naka post report on sa.
Nga try kini ka ting ki ju what is the secret of mo bagi sin at least ki one bet chipram. Kasi orang bet kamdon ke secret. Mereka kedai kejing budin, kejing testa, kejing one school juga kena asyik school, kejing hikai, kejing IT, kejing mo bat mensim bat ya kejing hikai jong hikai, bat kejing kendak ki test, kejing I test, kejing budin lagi, bat kani kejing interaktif bat ki parents. Dan ngiladep ya ki unit test, ladang ngiladep ya ki exams, ki selection, ki pre-board. Niju khot ki parents niju pen ya ki jing duna ki jung kena tingi sai sisen ya kendak biang ya pen biang te repeatedly ya kendak kumne te habang ya trelang kamdon ka ke bangi mela te kini ki jing trelang ka pen ken ba ya ka jing ora pat ya ka results ka ba nginget man la usam niju job ya kene
Kum principal bi ayu pada habe ya kom minujor kini ki government school ki bodon bat ka jingdon bat ki private school hatu ki ayu ba naki government school kamnya kunyo bani bikin kam shakmat kunya to kadon kande nono kata kaji
nakalian juga tengah melaban compare la dari government la dari ke private la dari mo ki missionary na ki balang school meringa syukurman ba kasa ha uno penyai ba ha ke institution kumlo ki penyai ke sistem mo bat ni la dangi motivate ba ya ki make pa ki no hikai ba ke jingwan tre jungi ke jingwan hikai jungi kam dei tang ke profession ke dei ka kam ke bangila jit bah bangila jit ni ban e je ka kam ya bah pidon kata ka commitment pi wan shwa ban le kata ka kam om klem da perkhat ya ka salary shwa te ni abangi pe je kini nyo i ke kini te le si kwi school pat mo la biang na dong sedong la ai ko komen na dong sedong la ka building la na sedong te le si ka don kata kam da don tham ka system kam da don tham ka strictness kam da don tham ka jingbudin te mangi pat ni long kham demand ni don ka discipline Tengim la banshu ong ba kaniti kadai tangka kam pinchuan tre pinyo pisal yo salary la biang. Ngida hikai ngida motivate ba yaki ya ka profession jongki baki di ban but habaki ya ka jingle ka jongki kanuk ka baki wan ya kanuk ka kam ka bangi ai ka wara ke ka jingman ki kani kin kalong ba kam kong san ka ba pinja phe bat ki we te sa shi sia na ni ngi dap da kijing kemen ba crowd ka kata ba ka school St Anthony's jungi kala wan biang shakmat ha ka results jong ka HSSLC te kani kam ni tang ka ba ningkong ne kini kisam ba ro la slam ni ju wan shakmat but ni ba kani ka consistency jong ka result kadai ka we ka pedeng du ka ba ya lam ni ki khna ka ba nginang kiu shakrang kani kadai